Good evening, everyone. We will start with pledge and national anthem. Please stand up.
We pledge that we will develop the strength to accept success with humility, that all our actions will be governed by the highest standards of ethical behavior, that we will treat every human being with respect and equality, and that we will always remain worthy of the trust of people. Our mission, we will become the biggest organization of the world by December 2025.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are delighted to see you all here today. Myself, Kritika Bhardwaj, and I'll be your host for the evening. We have an exciting evening planned for you as we take a significant step in our journey. As you know, we are now stepping into the world of fintech, a realm that holds immense potential and opportunities. This strategic move is aimed to strengthen our UPOS platform, and it's a testament to our commitment to innovation and growth. In our pilot launch, we have already taken the first step by introducing our fintech product. The response has been promising, and we are here to build upon the success. Today, we are thrilled to present yet another remarkable opportunity for you not only explore, but also benefit from our fintech offerings. I know you have been eagerly waiting for this moment, and it's my distinct pleasure to introduce the visionary lady behind our fintech venture, someone who needs no introduction, our very own CEO, Ms. Tanushri. Her deep understanding of the industry and her commitment to innovation have been instrumental in the growth we have witnessed. So without any further ado, let's welcome Ms. Tanushri to the stage as she shares her insights, our vision for the future. And now, please welcome Ms. Tanushri on the stage.
Thank you, Kritika. So first of all, good evening to all of you and a very warm welcome. I think we are meeting after a long time. But I wanted to make it a regular thing. But anyways, the way we are progressing, we are bringing many things with you for you. So this is just a start. And as far as fintech is concerned, let me just talk about few lines about fintech. So we already started our fintech journey with the introduction of insurance in Global Garner or in UPOS. That you already know that insurance is running since last 1 year. So that was just a start for fintech. So what is fintech first? Fintech means the financial product that is combined with technology. So you must be aware that there are many companies, those who are just running on the fintech model. As far as Global Garner is concerned, we don't only have fintech. We have shopping options for you. We have travel options for you. We have banking options. Banking, of course, is a fintech part, but we have travel options, recharge options, shopping options. We have a number of options. But now we are also including fintech in our kitty. So there are a number of companies. You can Google, you can check it out. Those who are only and only working on fintech model. and they just have a single part of what we are offering. So likewise, when we started with insurance, we got a huge success. Now, like many UPOs are already doing it. So now our endeavor is to include more and more and more products. GG Fins is also running, that is also a part of fintech. So any kind of a financial transactions which is being monitored by RBI, and there are several guidelines which we have to follow, that is a fintech. And why fintech is important for Global Garner or for UBOS? ये समझना बहुत जरूरी होगा. Because when we talk about financial products, there is always a regulatory authority which monitors that product, that particular product. So when there is some monitoring authority, so it creates a trust in the audience and public. So when you say that you are giving, let's say, policy of national insurance, ICCI, SDFC. So when you talk about all the big banks, insurance company, so everybody knows that there is some monetary authority who is monitoring your transactions. So it's not like that any company can go and get those licenses. So we are talking with many, we have to take many compliances, we go through many kind of tie-ups, and now we bring a whole new kitty for you. So this is just one or two products which we are going to launch today evening. There will be lots more in the coming days. And so first, let me open the PPT for you. Then we can keep on discussing what is the strength of fintech products, importance kya hai fintech ka, why it is important for UPOS. There will be n number of things which we are going to discuss this evening. So like I told you why fintech is important. So today we are going to launch credit cards and GG loans. Deals of loan which we launched few months back, it is different from what GG loans is. So there is many things, I mean, there are many things which you have this evening. Plus, before telling you in detail about what is credit card and how we are going to sell it for the customers, what is the role of UPOS in this, let me just tell you one thing. As Kritika said, that we have already done a pilot launch. What is the pilot launch? We have already chosen few UPOS owners who can be a part of this credit card and GG loans, so that we can test the system before the final launch. So if I tell you about credit cards, so what is credit card? Everybody knows. There is no introduction to tell you ki credit card hota kya. And we have already done a pilot launch. The kind of response we have got, it is also phenomenal. So let me introduce what is this, how we are going to do it. But it is only available for UPOS partners. Means only UPOS can order it for his customers. Of course, it is available for our customers, but UPOS can only sell it as of now. So there will be no option of credit card on your application as of now. Maybe we can bring it in the future. And of course, UPOS will be keep getting the commission on whatever they are getting. But right now, as a UPOS, अपने customers को वो credit card दे सकता है through UPOS. So मैंने ये चीज बताई है कि what is the importance of credit card. So first of all, सबको पता है कि credit card क्या होता है, क्या importance होती है. So what we are going to offer is something different. हम आपको पूरी एक financial kitty दे रहे हैं, and many things will be on a digital platform. ऐसा नहीं है कि हर चीज के लिए आपको कुछ फिजिकल एक्टिविटीज करनी पड़ेंगी क्योंकि बैंक में जाना है तो क्रेडिट कार्ड अप्लाई करना है. Everything will be totally digital. There will be a seamless process. So what are the benefits of GG loans? So that is very important for all of you. That obviously, first of all, there will be a huge earning for UPOS. अगर आप अभी commissions देखोगे, जो कि क्रेडिट कार्ड में यूपॉस को मिलने वाले हैं, that is definitely going to blow your mind. एक सिंगल क्रेडिट कार्ड से आपको कितना अच्छा कमीशन मिलेगा, that you will see. And why credit card? I told you कि हमारे पास एक क्रेडिट कार्ड नहीं है, we have a kitty of credit cards. 15-16 बैंक्स हैं जिसके क्रेडिट कार्ड my UPOS will be able to give to his customers. And when it comes to credit card of big banks, what will happen? When you tell your customer as a UPOS, कि I can offer you credit card of SBI, SDFC or big banks, what customer will think? That you have a tie-up with banks. So then if you offer any other product, means अगर आप UPOS के साथ कुछ और भी ऑफर करोगे, आपने अपने किसी कस्टमर को क्रेडिट कार्ड के बारे में बताया, आपने किसी बड़े बैंक का क्रेडिट कार्ड अपने कस्टमर को इशू करा, उसके बाद आप किसी भी प्रोडक्ट के बारे में बताएंगे, कस्टमर विल हैव अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ अ ट्रस्ट ऑन यू कि यस, जब बैंक्स के प्रोडक्ट ही बेच सकता है तो जो भी ये बोल रहा है, आई हैव टू डू ऑल माय शॉपिंग थ्रू यूपॉस. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और आपको जो पे आउट्स मिलेंगे, द काइंड ऑफ पे आउट which you will get through these credit cards, that is also very good. Then we will also will be giving you a full training support. Full training support means like after the launch today, I will just give you a brief what is GG loans, what is credit card. Thereafter my team will have a detailed training. Next week we will have 3 trainings. We will tell you about each and every product. We will tell you in detail. Amit, Mayruka, everybody will be there who will take care about this. So what are the options available with GG loans? First of all, it is personal loan. Then credit card is a part of GG loan segment under your UPOS. Then buy now, pay later. Buy now, pay later means, I think most of you know. Gold loan, everybody knows. So every process will be fully digital. In most of the cases, like when it comes to personal loan, you just have to give your KYC documents up to a certain loan amount. When the loan amount is on a higher side, तब आपको हो सकता है कुछ और papers देने पड़े, bank statement, salary slip. But for loans up to 6 lakh, 5 lakh, there you have to give your KYC documents and email ID and mobile number. So process will be very simple. For the small amount, like up to 6 lakhs, personal loan will be instant. For credit card, you will get the instant approval. Yes, the whole process can be driven by UPOS. So you don't need to visit any branch. Like deals of loan में क्या होता था? You need to upload your lead. Then kuch call aata tha, they used to enter the data. But here, as a UPOS, you can sell and complete the whole user journey. Documentation, I told you, it is very simple. Obviously, as a UPOS, you don't have to pay any fees. You, as a customer, can get the personalized cards. There are instant approvals. I will tell you what is the approval TAT for it. So if I tell you about the TAT, so when it comes to TAT means turnaround time. For instant loans, turnaround time or TAT is only 24 to 48 hours. मतलब आपको instant loan का approval 24 घंटे में मिल जाएगा. And credit card is also like 24 hours में you can get the approval from the banks without any physical exercise. Total digital process. So these are the benefits. You all know क्या benefit होंगे. Obviously, I told you commission will also be very good when it comes to loans. Commission will range from 0.7 to 2.8 for UPOS owners. For a credit card, you can get up to 2,500 just by selling one single credit card. Buy now, pay later option up to 6 lakhs. Buy now, pay later. I will tell you in detail later on. Then you can sell the credit cards of all the big brands big banks, major NBFCs. Obviously, when you have a kitty, you are already giving insurance, travel, products, everything. Now, obviously, with these things, footfall is going to increase. Like I have worked with SBI, I'm telling you the personal experience. When I was in SBI, people used to come to our branches to ask for SBI credit card. But since if you go to any bank of SBI, क्या होता है? Bank mostly बोलती है कि they cannot give you credit card. उसके लिए आप SBI credit card में जाएं and वहां apply करें. और वहां पे एक ही कार्ड मिलता है. But here what is the strength? यहाँ पे you can offer a kitty of credit cards to customer. अगर मैं customer हूं, हो सकता है I am not eligible for SBI credit card, but I may be eligible for ICICI credit card or AU credit card. So आप किसी customer को ना नहीं बोलोगे. हाँ, until unless they have a very bad civil score, तो आप कुछ नहीं कर पाओगे. So these are the banks जिनका आप credit card offer कर सकते. Just look at the names which are present on your screen. SBI, very big name. Yes Bank, HSBC, IDFC, Kotak, SDFC, Bank of Baroda. These are the renowned names. So अगर आपका कोई customer, if any customer is visiting your store and he wants the credit card, you have a kitty to offer. Agar let's say he is not eligible for SBI credit card, you have other also, because each and every bank has a different bureau criteria for giving the credit cards. हो सकता है मैं एक बैंक के लिए eligible हूं, दूसरे के लिए ना. So आपका कोई customer वापस नहीं जाए. And second very good benefit is this, कि when it comes to credit card, तो मैंने जैसे बताया ना, if I am going to SBI और मैंने एक चीज बोली और मेरे BM ने बोल दिया कि he cannot give you SBI credit card, then what will happen? मुझे लगेगा as a customer अब मुझे credit card नहीं मिल सकता. But this is the strength of UPOS. You can tell that rather than going directly to any bank, they can come to you for any NBFC which is present on your screen, any bank which is present. What are the benefits? I hope अब तक अगर मैं summarize करूं तो आप लोगों ने काफी अच्छे से समझा होगा. First of all, you have a very big earning. Earning क्या है? I'm just going to tell you. Plus, you have a very big kitty. Third, जब हम बात करते हैं of all the major banks or NBFCs, customer will have a very good trust. Process is totally digital and UPOS will be able to complete the whole issuance process. आप as a UPOS apply करोगे and user जो होगा उसके साथ आपको कुछ process करने हैं, because कुछ link customer के पास जाएंगे, you will be able to complete the whole user journey. So just look at your screen. Commissions कितने अच्छे हैं. आप कोई simple product बेचो और एक credit card दो, जो कि बेचना बहुत आसान है, और सबके पास दिन भर 4 फोन भी आते होंगे. I think everybody, हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we keep our phone on DND, but उसके बाद भी we keep on getting so many calls कि आप credit card लोगे, तो क्या होता है, हम disconnect कर देते हैं, because we don't have trust on those telecallers, right? So जब हमें trust नहीं है telecallers पे, इसलिए हम phone disconnect करते हैं. But when there is a middleman, my UPOS, he is sitting, people automatically will prefer to come to you. और जब आपको अच्छे commissions मिलेंगे, तो obviously, so it is a win-win situation for my users as well as UPOS. So this is the commission. Just look at your screen. 1700 you are getting by selling the credit card of AU. Just look at Standard Chartered, 2100, HSBC 1700. So it's a huge kitty. और जब आप किसी customer के लिए apply करोगे, what is the process? Let's say if I am a user, I am coming to you as a UPOS. You can apply for me by entering my basic details, PAN number and all, and you will get the list of all the banks for which I am eligible. So let's say if you get a list of 6 banks, as a consumer, as a customer, I can choose 6 banks. I can choose any of the banks from out of 6 banks. So customer को option भी है choose करने का. It's not that कि mandatory है कि मैं चाह रही थी कि एक बैंक से और एक ही से मिलेगा. So I am just running through the screen कि कौन कौन से कार्ड्स हैं, मैंने बताया है हर कार्ड का बेनिफिट अलग हो. एयू के कुछ अलग बेनिफिट्स होंगे, कुछ कार्ड्स फ्री होंगे, कुछ आपको एक्स्ट्रा एड ऑन बेनिफिट्स देंगे. वी विल ऑल्सो शेयर द पीपीटी विथ यू, जहां आप देख सकते हो कि व्हाट आर द बेनिफिट्स ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी कार्ड. Secondly, we will be sharing you the creative each and every day, because we are getting the direct creatives from the banks. If they are running some offer, let's say some offer is running in SDFC, some offer is running in IDFC. So what they will do, they will share us a creative. We will share the same with you, and it keeps on changing also. हो सकता है आज आपको कुछ जैसे just look at the IDFC credit card, which is there in your screen. They are offering you complimentary launch access also. So in some card there will be complimentary launch access, in some card not. So आपका जो app है, once you go to your UPOS and you will find these data on your screen, you will notice that there is an option of getting the detail about each and every credit card. आपको अपने UPOS में भी you will get the full information about each and every bank credit card. You can click and get the information. Secondly, HO will be sharing the creatives with you on a regular basis. Whatever is new, that also will be shared with you. तो जो भी नया होगा हम आपसे शेयर करेंगे. Do join all the channels. जो Telegram पे UPOS का चैनल है, WhatsApp पे चैनल है, so that we will keep on giving you the latest things. So जैसे ये SDFC का कार्ड है, they have some travel benefits. They have some complimentary insurance. So you can tell about the USPs of every card to your customers. This is some SBI Pulse card. They offer you, they also offer you launch access. They also offer you some fuel surcharged waiver if you use that card. So this is SBI card. They also offer you some gift from Amazon on joining. So you can also pitch like this, that your customer will get 500 rupees gift card from Amazon. So you need to understand what are the benefits. We will keep sharing. I'm just running through this. Like if I talk about Federal Bank, there is no joining or annual fees. So this can be a USP for the users. They also get some kind of rewards. Mostly all the credit card gives you rewards on usage, and you can redeem these reward points on various platforms. Also, there is the Axis Bank. So there are so many cards. I think we will share, you can go through it. So I told you about credit card. I have also repeated the benefits of every card and everything. So now it comes to personal loan. So what is personal loan in GG loans? So you all know what is a personal loan. Personal loan means a personal loan. So you don't have to give any security for the personal loan. But we need to understand one thing, कि when it comes to digital personal loan, there is a set group of customers, those who go for this personal loan. Because if I am a customer, I have a good balance in my account and I have a good CIBIL score, what I prefer? I may prefer to go to my banks directly. But there is a big population in India, those who want instant personal loans. आज मेरे घर कुछ कल मेरे यहाँ मतलब कोई फंक्शन है, मुझे किसी के यहाँ बच्चा पैदा हुआ, किसी के यहाँ कोई शादी है, किसी को गिफ्ट देना है. In that cases also, people want instant personal loan. They don't have time to visit branches. हो सकता है they are not working in government sector. So उनको क्या है, government mostly क्या होता है, जो public sector banks है, they mostly give loans, personal loans to the government sector employees. जो private sector employees होते हैं, they don't have the option to take the loan from public sector banks in most of the cases. So but what happens in case of a personal loan? What happens? So कई सारे ऐसे लोग हैं, those who want instant loans. They don't wait for 2-3 days, 1 week to get their loans. Then what happened? So they don't want to wait. And there are these, you can see at my screen, these are the digital loan or personal loan providers. So we have tied up with all the names which you can see. If you check these brands, you will these companies, these are the exclusive fintech companies, and we have already tied up with these companies. They have further tied up with the NBFCs and banks. So there is a huge kitty. So let's say if I am a customer, I may not be eligible for loan from IFL, but ho sakta hai money view mujhe loan de de, because every bank has a different criteria for personal loans. So when it comes to digital loan, up to 6 lakhs can be processed for your customer in terms of digital loan. Digital loans ka matlab hai ki personal loan that will be sanctioned within a span of 24 hours. As a customer, as a UPOS owner, aapne apply kiya, then what will happen? You will get a list. Aapko ek list milegi where you will have the list of banks from which you are eligible. You will directly get the names of NBFCs or banks for which you are eligible. Then you can share that link with your customer. But please note my point now, कि अगर आप UPOS owner हो, as a UPOS owner, you need to complete the whole journey. What will happen as a UPOS? You will send a link to your customer, and your customer has to load some documents. In few cases, when it comes to personal loan beyond 5 lakhs and all, and customer has to give his consent. You may ask me ki, why can't I complete a whole journey as a UPOS owner? Because you need a consent from customer also. आपने किसी को लोन दे दिया, वो कल को बोलता है मुझे लोन चाहिए ही नहीं. So you need a consent. तो जब वो eligibility आप देखोगे as a UPOS, आप अपनी screen में, then what will happen? You will send a link to your UPOS owner. So sorry, you will send a link to your customer. अब जब उस customer के पास link जाएगा, he need to accept few terms and conditions, and he can complete his journey. But this is very important. If you are a UPOS owner, just stand in front of your customer, be with your customer and help him to complete the journey. ऐसा नहीं हुआ आपने लिंक भेजा और सोचा कि कस्टमर घर जाके कर देगा. एक बार जाने के बाद कोई कस्टमर नहीं करता. So this is the funda of a sale also. कि if your customer is gone, sale is gone. So just complete the whole journey in front of you so that everything is done in front of you. And for instant loan, he will get the approval in 24 hours, maximum 48 hours. That too, it will depend upon the working hours, working days. कोई छुट्टी होगी तो there can be some extension, and he will get the credit in his account. उसके अलावा कुछ आपको नहीं करना है. And when it comes to personal loan, you might have to upload few more documents. Personal loan means जो 6 लाख से ऊपर है, जो instant नहीं है. Loans which are not instant, for that you need to upload few more documents like salary slip ले सकते हैं या bank statement. उससे ज़्यादा भी कुछ नहीं लेता है. See, we have IFL, we have Tata, we have Poonawalla. There are so many NBFCs which are already there. So you need to tackle the correct set. अब कोई government job में काम कर रहा है, if somebody is working in BSNL, don't pitch this. But there will be n number of people जिनकी small छोटी salary है, ज़्यादा salary नहीं है, private sector में काम करते हैं, तुरंत loan चाहिए. These are your potential customer. And one more USP is there. You will be able to get the CIBIL score of a customer as a UPOS owner. So if you get the CIBIL score, you will know that this customer has a good track record or not. So if loan is rejected, you will also get to know why loan is rejected because of CIBIL score. So you will have that information too. So I have already told you about the benefits. So every NBFC or bank has a different criteria. Some can give you loan up to 5 lakhs, some can give you loan up to 35 lakh, some can give you. So there are n number of criteria for different banks that is visible in your UPOS dashboard. Look at credit B. There is a 10-minute disbursal. Can anything be better than this 10 minutes? And we have already, I told you that I have already launched the pilot launch, and now 2 customers have already got the loan and it has been credited in their account in a span of 1 week only. That was a pilot launch only between 50-100 people. So, and we have already received 500 leads, and that will be processed maybe in a day or two. So these are different banks. So there are 3-minute disbursal. Look at the screen. There is also an option of 3-minute disbursal from NIRA. There is and in some cases, there are no foreclosure charges also. And so you can get all the information, and this you can use as a tool to convince your customer. I think you will get this PPT. Just go through the screen. Look at Privo. For Privo, apart from loan, customer will also get Amazon vouchers. So every bank, NB, and NBFCs, they have a USP. Just go through your UPOS, you will get it. So this is a very important screen for UPOS owner. So there is a percentage of 2% also. There is a commission of 2% also. And if you look at the market, so this is a very big amount. For loans, most of the agents also, they are not able to earn more than 1%. So for few banks, there is a flat amount. For few of them, there is a percentage. Okay, so I have already told you about personal loan, credit card. Now there is gold loan. I told you in starting, there are 4 things which is under GG loan. Gold loan, everybody knows. So for gold loans, these 3 players are there. So what will be the process? The process will be very simple. As a UPOS, you need to talk to your customer, and you can give 3 options to your customer and apply. So once you apply, we will send that lead to the respective bank. जो ये बैंक है उसको बस लीड चली जाएगी, because you understand that this cannot be a digital process, because gold को जब तक evaluate नहीं करेगा बैंक, he cannot give you loan. And इसका USP ये होता है, यहाँ पर सिबिल वगैरह की कोई वो नहीं है requirement most of the banks के लिए. So what will happen? UPOS will generate a lead for the customer, और बैंक वाले खुद contact करेंगे within few hours, 1 or 2 days. And that executive will go to the place of the customer to complete the process, because anyways he need to check the gold, then only he can give the gold. I told you, gold loans at home in 30 minutes, or no CIBIL requirement, no income proof required. So these are the USPs of gold. क्योंकि gold मिल रहा है बैंक को किसी का CIBIL आगे पीछे भी हुआ, तो then you can offer gold loan option to your customer. Plus income proof नहीं चाहिए, because बैंक सिर्फ gold पे देता है, उसको gold की value के according ही करना है. Bank does not want anything else. So this is the commission structure for gold. So this is the new. This is again the 4th product which we launched today evening. This is pay later. You must be aware, buy now pay later. अगर आपने मिंत्रा से शॉपिंग की होगी, फ्लिपकार्ट, अमेजॉन, व्हाटएवर, बिग बास्केट, सो जब आप पे करते हो एट द टाइम ऑफ चेकिंग आउट योर कार्ड, आपके पास एक ऑप्शन आता है कि आप नेट बैंकिंग से पे कर सकते हैं कि नहीं. आपके पास ऑप्शन आता है कि आप कार्ड से पेमेंट करना चाहते हैं, यूपीआई से करना चाहते हैं. देयर इज वन मोर ऑप्शन जिसको लिखा रहता है EMI/BNPL, बाय नाउ पे लेटर. सो वहां पे भी आप यूज कर सकते हो ऑप्शन बाय नाउ पे लेटर. मींस इट इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ लोन. आपको कुछ प्रोडक्ट खरीदना है, आप खरीद लो, और आपको इमीडिएट कुछ पैसा नहीं देना. लेट्स से वांट टू बाय अ लैपटॉप, आपको लगा अभी आपके बैंक में इतना पैसा नहीं है, यू कैन ऑप्ट फॉर दीज ऑप्शंस. सो आप मोबीक्विक, उसमें क्या होगा, यूपॉस विल create a link and give it to the customer. कस्टमर को ये पर्टिकुलर ऐप डाउनलोड करनी पड़ेगी, एंड यूपॉस का जो ट्रैकिंग है वो हम ट्रैक कर लेंगे, एंड एज अ कस्टमर आई कैन गेट द क्रेडिट थ्रू मोबिलिंग. सो दिस इज अ बेनिफिट. मोबीक्विक, दिस इज अ डिजिटल ऐप. जब आप अप्लाई करोगे, इफ यू वांट टू शॉप थ्रू बिग बास्केट और मिंत्रा, यू कैन गेट दिस ऑप्शन एंड यूज इट. अगर हम बजाज फिनसर्व की बात करें, तो दे ऑल्सो ऑपरेट ऑफलाइन. Means there are a number of physical stores, those who accept Bajaj Finserv card buy now pay later option. So there is a huge scope which जो कस्टमर यूज कर सकता है, किसी को पैसा चाहिए तो वो बाद में कर सकता है. So there are आज मेरी जैसे करण से बात हो रही थी, तो बिफोर लॉन्चिंग दिस ऑल्सो उसके पास ये सारे बैंक्स थे और सारे एनबीएफसी से जो बोलो, बिकॉज ही वाज जस्ट शोइंग मी कि वो कैसे फिनटेक प्रोजेक्ट्स चेक करता है. सो ही वाज गेटिंग द क्रेडिट लिमिट ऑफ 28 lakhs if he combined all these players. So there is a huge scope. कस्टमर को कभी भी जरूरत है तो वो इन सब से अप्लाई कर सकते. So this is a UPOS commission. This is a flat commission for it. For user, there are also, obviously, I told you there is a benefit. Customer को assistance मिल रहा है. There are many companies. अगर मैं credit B की बात करूं, जैसे मैंने launch किया था, they have their own website. But why they are interested in us? You tell me this. Because we all know that people need human assistance. ये बहुत सारी कंपनीज है, IFL and all, वो क्यों हमसे टाई अप करती है? Because कोई भी कस्टमर, he is not comfortable in applying for a loan just through our digital process. He needs some kind of a free assistance, and that is the USP for our UPOS. UPOS का USP यही है कि वो एक assistance provide करता है और कस्टमर को एक ट्रस्ट क्रिएट हो जाता है कि yes, I am doing the right way. हम लोग चाहे जितने एजुकेटेड हो, समटाइम्स वी फील अ बिट स्केयर्ड अगर हमें कोई क्लिक करना पड़ता है टैब इन टर्म्स ऑफ फाइनेंशियल ट्रांजैक्शन. कहीं ऐसा ना हो कि हम ये क्लिक कर दें एंड वी आर डाइवर्टेड टू सम रॉन्ग पेज. सेकेंडली, देयर आर एन नंबर ऑफ फेक एप्लीकेशंस आल्सो व्हिच आर रनिंग ऑनलाइन. फेसबुक पे ऐड आता है एज अ सिंपल एंड वेरी नेम, कस्टमर वो क्या करते हैं, अप्लाई कर देते हैं. एंड देयर आर many companies running, those who are just running the Ponzi schemes, और कस्टमर को बोलते हैं आपको लोन मिलेगा, कस्टमर अप्लाई फॉर इट, और वो फालतू में लोन देते रहते हैं. देन दे क्रिएट सम काइंड ऑफ अ प्रेशर अराउंड द कस्टमर, इसलिए कस्टमर इज स्केयर्ड ऑफ अप्लाई. सो कस्टमर बहुत बड़ा यूएसपी है यूपॉस के लिए. ऑब्वियसली जो लोन मिलेगा उसका हम कॉइन्स देंगे, अप्रूवल है जो लास्ट में चल रहा था पहले भी, दीज आर द सेम थिंग्स. How to process leads loan? So आपके UPOS में there is a tab called financial services. Go to your tab. There is an option of loans. Once you click, there is an option of GG loan. We will also show you the short video. Once you click it, there will be an option of GG loans. GG loans, we will change the name because GG loans में credit card, buy now, pay later, personal loan सब आ जाए. So just like normal UPOS, you need to add the customer and do all kind of a transaction. Okay, this is new for all the customer and this is only for a limited period. It is not written, but it is up to 10th of October only. If as a UPOS, you are selling the 10 credit cards from these 5 credit cards, we are launching this contest from today. It was not launched for the pilot program. So if as a UPOS, you are selling only 10 cards out of these 5 credit cards, then what will happen? You will additionally get Amazon gift voucher worth rupees 2100. So this is a scheme up to 10th of October. Just 10 in this 18-20 days, only 10 cards. I am telling you about our favorite MCP, Mr. JD. He just sold 10 credit cards in a pilot launch in a single day. 9, sorry. And we have already circulated that thing. He sold 9 credit cards in a day. So just think, for 20 days, it's a very easy task for every UPOS owner. Thank you so much. I think I have told you what is the USP of credit card. I think आप भी UPOS owner हो, you will understand कि जब आप human को किसी को assist करते हो, the kind of a trust आपके लिए भी कितनी बड़ी USP है, the kind of incentives you are getting, and पूरा process digital है. There is no need to visit to the branches. Just now start working on it. And this is just a starting because it is a group of UPOS and my team only from Global Garner. We are coming up with so many things in October. And I mean October by October, and that too, it is into a fintech department only. Many things from fintech and other things also. So just start promoting the fintech. आप fintech की चीजें promote करोगे, you will get a very good commission. It is very important. Apart from other things, obviously you have to do that trading also. But to get good earning, this is the USP. So I think हम लोग जो भी बोल रही हो कि हम launch कर रहे हैं, and please trust my words. This is just a start. जैसे insurance was just a trailer. This is just a start. वो बोलते ना पिक्चर अभी बाकी है, बहुत कुछ आने वाला है for all of you. हम एक पूरा एक fintech department ही we will give to you, जिसमें सब कुछ रहेगा. I have signed the agreement with many banks, not even NBFCs. तो आपको बहुत सारे बड़े बड़े बैंक्स के भी डायरेक्ट लिंक्स मिल जाएंगे अपने यूपर्स में. सो ये बहुत बड़े न्यूज है, एंड बहुत सारी न्यूज आ रही है. तो शायद विकास है यहाँ पे मीटिंग में, ही माइट टेल यू और भी कुछ न्यूज उनको देनी होगी. सो नाउ विदाउट वेस्टिंग मच ऑफ द टाइम, आई एम हैंडिंग दिस फोरम टू मयूरिका टू जस्ट गिव यू अ ब्रीफ की एक ट्यूटोरियल कि आपको एज अ यूपर्स हाउ यू कैन अप्लाई. ठीक है मयूरिका, ओवर टू यू.
Thank you, ma'am. So we'll see how to actually add the leads in our UPOS dashboard, right? As Tanu ma'am said that you will sell the credit cards and give the personal loans to your customers. Now let's see how do you actually sell the credit card and how do you actually add the lead in your dashboard. So I'll just share my screen, and don't worry, the video is in Hindi, but we will have the training sessions in English and Hindi both, right? So I'll just share my screen. Let us understand how to apply for loans or credit cards or other leads through our GG loans segment. So first of all, we will log in into our UBOS, the Digital Mall app. Right? We will add the customer and then we will click on financial services. Then go to loans and click on GG loans. Right? So it will show you the dashboard. You can see the products available here. You can see your leads, the leads which you have completed, okay, or which has been rejected or expired, verified, non-verified, customer list, etc. You can see the product list also here. Now let's click on start selling. Okay, you have to add the customer here. Then click on send OTP. Submit the OTP. You have to enter the PAN number. Fill the PAN number, customer's bank details, where he is receiving the income, date of birth, gender, PIN code, and email ID. After filling the details, click on continue. Mention the employee's details, whether the person you are applying the loan for is self-employed or salaried, or he is a business owner, right? Then select the bank and then click on continue. You will see the offers here. Let's say, for example, myself is available for this 15 credit card offers. Okay, I can apply for anyone. I can also see the benefits for each of the card. Okay, I can also apply for personal loans. Now let us apply for a loan or a credit card. Just click on this. Here I would like to mention that you can see the brand benefits, and you can also, once you click on application process, you can see the step-by-step guide. There is a PDF which you can download, which is a step-by-step guide which you can share with your customers. So it will help and it can assist the customers to complete their journey, right? You can also see the eligibility criteria of the customer. You can see the benefits. Click on share link. Okay, you can just share link using copy link or using any social media. Now the customer will click on the link which you shared with the customer. Okay, and then we'll complete the process by uploading the documents. Okay, and we will also have the training sessions for each of the card. Let's say, for example, you are applying for the Axis Bank card. We will have a separate training session on how to apply for the Axis Bank cards and etc. For each of the cards, we will have the separate training sessions, right? Okay, over to Tanu ma'am.
Yeah, before that, hi, good evening, everyone, once again. So I'm not much well today, so I was on bed, so I was not able to come on video. But just to make an announcement that, of course, me and Marika will always be available for the trainings of the segment GG loans. But because it's a new segment and you want you to support at all the levels, at all the hierarchies. So what we have done is that at HO, we have appointed a dedicated relationship manager. You can say he's a senior relationship manager who would be taking care about this segment. So his name is Vinay. Of course, we'll share his number in all the groups. So in case of any query related to the segment, whether credit cards or loans, because see, it's a very potential segment, and it can of course boost the earnings of all our UPOS owners. And because most of us are not very well, aware of this segment, because loans and credit cards require a lot of information, a lot of things. So of course you can contact Vinay if you have any query related to any of these products that we have under financial segment. So you can of course contact him. His name is Vinay. So we'll share his number in all the groups after the meeting. And of course, me and Marika will always be available for any kind of training related to this segment. So whenever you require any training support, any additional support, which is at your level, so you can contact us. So this was only an announcement that I would like to make. Anyways, thank you very much for joining. Over to you, ma'am.
Yeah, Vinay, anything from your side? Vinay, I think Vinay is with, Mayurka, I think you need to unmute him or make him the.
Sure. I'll see.
So Vinay, I'm just introducing him so that along with Mayurika, because everything cannot just be monitored by Amit only. So he's also a part of this team, because we are going to increase this whole fintech team at HO. कि जितना जितना आपको अच्छा रहेगा, उतना जितनी leads आएंगी, but We are expanding the team in the hope that we will be getting good leads and conversion from your side. हम बंदे यहाँ पर बैठा ले, हमें leads नहीं मिल रही है, there is of no use. Vinay? I think he is not. So till the time I think he has not joined. We can take few Q&A for 10 minutes. It's 7:50. We can end at around 10. If you have any queries, you can raise hand. Then we will unmute you. You can raise hand. No queries. Oh.
Banji Nanthan. Yes, please unmute yourself.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Only one doubt, ma'am.
Yeah.
If any default, what could be done?
It is not your responsibility. You are just the sourcing entity, and that is not your responsibility.
Thank you so much.
Harshal Dalal.
Thank you. I'm actually traveling, so can't actually open my video. But
Nice.
just the question is, let's say, for example, if somebody inquires about the possibility of getting into personal loan or credit card, and he shares the information, personal information, while we are doing the initial work on our dashboard, will it affect that person's CIBIL score?
Obviously, when anybody, if you are just inquiring, obviously that will be raised on the CIBIL for the inquiry purpose.
Okay,
Only once he gets the list of all the banks.
So
Money,
there are,
let's say Harshad, what I am saying that let's say if I have applied for a personal loan and I get the option of 5 NBFCs or 5 banks. If I choose any of them to get the information at that time only.
okay. So what I'm trying to say is basically there are 20 odd banks or NBFCs where I'm applying. So that will affect.
No, it will not. It is not working like that. Just understand how it is working. We have put some algorithm, some system into the system where first system knows the eligibility criteria of every bank. System knows the bureau criteria. First the system will select it for you as per the eligibility and different terms and conditions from the respective. It will not directly go.
So my question is exactly that. Let's say, for example, there are 20 banks or NBFCs where I'm inquiring for anything in terms of credit card or a personal loan. I sent my details, and now it says out of 20, you are eligible for 5. Probably.
Yeah. So till this time, Harshad, just till this time, it is only the system which will tell you that these are the 5 banks for which you are eligible because there is a separate algorithms in the system which will tell you the eligibility.
So that won't affect my CIBIL score, correct?
Yes. Once you apply, then it will be on the banking.
Understood. Thank you.
Virendra Jain.
गुड इवनिंग मैम. गुड इवनिंग एवरीवन.
Good evening.
मैम मैंने तो अभी शुरुआत कर दी है. इसका 2-3 लीड्स है मेरे पास. मैंने अप्लाई भी किया हुआ है. कुछ मेरे को प्रॉब्लम आ रही थी जिसका मैंने अमेरिका जी से और संस्था जी से मतलब डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. लेकिन इसमें मस्ट पार्ट ट्रेनिंग का है. तो हम लोग नॉन बैंकिंग लोग हैं, हमको नहीं समझ में आएगा जब तक ट्रेनिंग नहीं होगी.
नहीं, ट्रेनिंग जरूर रखेंगे. नेक्स्ट वीक 3 ट्रेनिंग है. आपको कल इंफॉर्मेशन मिल जाएगी. मंडे, वेडनेसडे, फ्राइडे तीनों दिन ट्रेनिंग रखेंगे. और शुरू के कुछ वीक्स वी विल कीप द रेगुलर ट्रेनिंग्स. मतलब 2-3 वीक तक हम हफ्ते में 3-4 बार ट्रेनिंग लेंगे. कोई 2 प्रोडक्ट लेके आपको बता देंगे. प्लस कुछ बाहर से भी लोग बुलाएंगे हम, नॉट ओनली फ्रॉम इंटरनल. कुछ इन NBFC से भी बैंक लोग हम बुलाएंगे जो आपको ट्रेनिंग देंगे. उसके बाद भी हम अभी 4-6 महीना तो कंटिन्यू रखेंगे ट्रेनिंग्स. जैसे वो वीकली वाली चलती है. शुरू में हम 3 ट्रेनिंग तो मिनिमम वीक में रखेंगे सो दैट आपको जो भी डाउट है, कहीं आपको डिफिकल्टी फेस हो रही है, कुछ भी है, और हो सकता है ड्यूरिंग द इनिशियल टाइम यू मे फेस एनी डिफिकल्टी. हो सकता है कि कुछ एलिजिबिलिटी में प्रॉब्लम आए, टीम इज देयर। अच्छा, क्रेडिट कार्ड का सक्सेस रेशियो बहुत अच्छा होता है, पर्सनल लोन का देयर कैन बी सम ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, हो सकता है 10 लोग अप्लाई करें, एक ही को एलिजिबिलिटी मिले, 2 को मिले, तो बिकॉज लोन्स का क्राइटेरिया आपको भी पता है बैंक्स में डिफरेंट होता है। क्रेडिट कार्ड का बहुत अच्छा है
जी। एक्चुअली में क्या मैम, क्या अपने पास इतनी सारी बैंकें हैं और उसमें मतलब इतने ऑप्शन है, तो हर बैंक का अपना सिस्टम है। कोई का ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ता है, किसी का लिंक में जाके उनका जो वेबसाइट है वहां जाके अप्लाई करना पड़ता है। तो ट्रेनिंग मतलब बहुत जरूरी है, बाकी नो डाउट हम बहुत अच्छा होगा इससे, मतलब काफी बूस्टअप मिलेगा और ईपॉस ओनर को मतलब एक अच्छा कमाने का मौका इसके द्वारा मिलेगा। थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
हर्षल जी।
Yeah, my question is कि ये जो क्राइटेरिया इनिशियली हम लोग डालते हैं, दैट इज एप्लीकेबल ऑल अक्रॉस, मतलब अगर मुझे खाली क्रेडिट कार्ड के लिए चाहिए या खाली पे नाउ एंड आई मीन पे लेटर वाला जो ऑप्शन है वही चाहिए, वो होगा, या सभी चीज के लिए एक साथ में क्राइटेरिया होगा?
अलग अलग है सबके क्राइटेरिया। आप एक बार लॉग इन करिए यूपॉस में, व्हेन यू क्लिक दिस ऑप्शन, एक बार आपको सब डिटेल मिल जाएगा और हर बैंक के भी क्राइटेरिया मिल जाएंगे आपको कि एओ की एलिजिबिलिटी ये है, एचडीएफसी की एलिजिबिलिटी ये है।
सो माय क्वेश्चन इज, अगर मैं क्रेडिट कार्ड के लिए अप्लाई करता हूँ तो खाली क्रेडिट कार्ड के लिए ही मुझे डिटेल्स मिलेगी, या मुझे पीएस के लिए भी मिलेगी, या पे नाउ?
हर्षल क्या होगा, आई विल टेल यू द प्रोसेस। आपको लीड ऐड करना पड़ेगा कस्टमर का। The first process is to add lead of the customer with the basic details. As soon as your customer lead is added into the dashboard, then आपको different products के suggestion मिल जाएंगे. Let's say your customer is eligible for personal loans for, let's say, these 5 banks. He's eligible for, let's say, 7 credit cards. He's eligible for this payback जो अपना option है pay later वाला. तो आपको सारे प्रोडक्ट्स की एलिजिबिलिटी मिल जाएगी। अब आपके कस्टमर को जिस भी प्रोडक्ट की रिक्वायरमेंट है, आप उस पर क्लिक करके वो उसका लिंक आप शेयर करेंगे अपने कस्टमर के साथ। रेस्ट ऑफ द जर्नी हैज टू बी कंप्लीटेड बाय द कस्टमर इटसेल्फ। फिर बाकी की जो उनकी डिटेल्स उनको एंटर करनी है, अपने केवाईसी वहां पे एंटर करने हैं। आफ्टर दैट द होल प्रोसेस विल बी कंप्लीटेड, और अगर वो एलिजिबल है, वो थ्रू है, तो उनका लोन या जो भी है क्रेडिट कार्ड डिसबर्स हो जाएगा। सो दिस वुड बी द प्रोसेस। तो आपको लीड एक ही बार डालना है, आपको प्रोडक्ट सारे दिख जाएंगे कि आपका कस्टमर कौन कौन से प्रोडक्ट्स के लिए एलिजिबल है। आई थिंक आई आंसर्ड योर क्वेश्चन नाउ।
सो वी कैन टेक वन लास्ट क्वेश्चन।
Mary, yes.
Good evening.
Good evening.
I just want to ask you, only those who are UPOS holders are eligible for the loans or the credit cards? Those who are working for GG, they are not?
No, it is available in all the UPOS.
Only UPOS holders can avail of the loans or the credit cards, right?
UPOS owners can apply for his customers. This is
For
available
customers,
for all
right.
the customers.
All right, all right. So is it a must? No, is it a must that we should provide, what do you call, salary certificates or bank statements, 6 months bank
It will
statement?
depend upon the product you are applying for. So in credit card, they may not require the banking statement. For some
All right.
they may not require the bank statement. It may be
Okay.
that for a big amount of personal loan, obviously they will ask for bank statement. So it will depend upon product to product. For instance, they will ask for very minimum thing like PAN card, Aadhaar card, mobile number, that's it.
All right. Thank you so much.
You know, when Sivani, once you enter the PAN card, most of the data is being fetched by the bank, because all your things are linked with, all the financial statements are linked with your PAN card.
Yes.
I'm just repeating again, this option is open for all the customer. Any customer can come and avail these facilities, but he can only do it through his UPOS.
The UPOS owners. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you.
So now, Mayurka, over to you. Vikas sir hai.
Yes.
Anything from your side? Now, Mayurka, over to you.
Okay, thank you everyone for joining. Again, we will have a separate training session for each of the product, and it is a great opportunity and very easy because आपको documents customer से लेने नहीं है, customer has to complete the journey himself. Because कई बार क्या होता है ना, some customers are afraid to share the documents. Let's say for example, some कई बार डर होता है कि पैन कार्ड, आधार कार्ड, बैंक स्टेटमेंट. There are some people who would not share such documents with you, right? So you will simply share the link with the customer and customer will complete the journey. So that's it from my end. Thank you everyone for joining. Have a good night.
Chalo, bye everyone.